Hello ladies and gentlemen, Rapid here, and I'll quickly show you a trap in so-called King's Indian attack. It can transpose from red T opening, it can transpose from French defense. Yeah, so let's try this. E6 and opponent plays D3. I see it a lot of times in different openings. Yeah, just white don't want any forced opening. They just want development and means of attack on the king. So we play d5. In this game was played knight to d2, knight f6, creating tension in the center, knight f3, and a move which has been played by a player rated over 2400, bishop to c5. Yeah, targeting f2. So his opponent played g3, which is okay, I think, and black captured here. It looks that nothing is getting exchanged. Yeah, that the center is pretty closed. Yeah, and lines are closed. So the white player took with the knight, and it was a mistake because black took and played bishop takes f2. So if you take with the king, then you lose your queen. And it sometimes happens that it depends on the position, but people miss this tactics when this line is closed. Yeah, but within one move, basically, it's wide open. Yeah, and they just cannot calculate that long that something like this can happen. And it was a trap. So he captured, actually, the game continued, and here you can win back the queen with bishop to b5, check, and attacking the king. So if you play here, then white wins, actually, yeah, with extra piece, but black has to know this trick to go back with the queen. So you don't have time, you know, to pin it, and again, so you have to take. Black took, and they have better position and an extra pawn, so this is clearly winning. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.